Hello everyone, myself Navneet Kumar Singh and I am teaching you heat and mass transfer for your GATE examination. My dear students, in the previous videos we have solved number of numericals on thermocouples. Let us see this question, and this question is like this kind of questions can be asked in your examination. Let us see. I am reading the question. A thermocouple junction is in the form of 8 millimeter diameter. So my dear students, what is the data given? Let us see. So I will directly write the data so that we will save time. Let us see. So diameter of the thermocouple junction is given to be like how much? 8 millimeter, my dear students. Okay. Sphere. Okay. That they have given this thermocouple to be what? Sphere, my dear students. They have given this to be a sphere. What are thermocouples? We have seen that they are used for what? They are used for temperature measurement, my dear students. Like this, they are used for temperature measurement. Okay. Now properties of the material are C is equal to properties of the material, that is specific heat they have given in 420 joule per kg degree Celsius, and again rho they have given is 8000 kg per meter cube, and conductivity they have given to be 40 watt per meter degree Celsius, and heat transfer coefficient H they have given to be 40 watt per meter square degree Celsius. Okay. Now this junction is initially at 40 degrees Celsius, my dear students. So this junction is initially at 40 degrees Celsius. So what is the initial temperature? Is 40 degrees Celsius at time t is equal to 0, my dear students. Time t is equal to 0. Now, and inserted in a stream of hot air at 300 degrees Celsius. So stream of hot air, they have inserted it. First they have inserted it in the stream of hot air. Let us say this is hot air stream. Hot air stream, my dear students. And the temperature of this hot air stream is given to be how much? That is your T infinite is given to be 300 degrees Celsius. Let us take it T infinite 1. Now, find the time constant of thermocouple. First he is asking for the time constant of a thermocouple. Okay. First he is asking for the time constant of a thermocouple. And the thermocouple is taken out from the hot air after 10 seconds. So, when this will be kept in this environment of hot steam for 10 seconds, then they are taking it out. Okay, they are taking it out. Okay, after 10 seconds, and kept in still air at 30 degrees Celsius with H air 10 watt per meter square degree Celsius. So the temperature of the surrounding is changing. In the second case, let us take T infinite 2 is given to be how much? This is given to be 30 degrees Celsius, and H2, which is heat transfer coefficient, is if H steam, and let us take it H air. H air, they have given it how much? With 10 watt per meter square degree Celsius, my dear students. Okay. Then find the temperature attained by the junction 20 seconds after removing from hot air. 20 seconds after removing from hot air. So there are two questions they are asking. First they are asking the thermocouple is taken out from the hot air after 10 seconds. Then time constant of thermocouple they are asking. Then second, thermocouple is taken out from the hot air after 10 seconds. And they are asking the temperature attained by the junctions 20 seconds after removing from hot air. So they are asking for the time. They are asking for the temperature after that 10 seconds or 20 seconds something. Okay. Now let us focus on the question. So what is the time constant is given by? My dear students, what is time constant? Let us solve the question number 1. That is question number 1 is they are asking for time constant of thermocouple. Thermocouple, my dear students. So let us take this is T star. They are asking. So time constant for thermocouple is given by what? This is given by, that is HACS, and this will be what? Rho CV. Okay, rho CV. So this will be your time constant, my dear students. That is called your one time constant. We have seen in the previous video. That is also called your one time constant. So let us see. That is called your one time constant. What is the value of rho, my dear students? Oh, so I am considering this time constant for the hot steam, for this air, that is for hot air or hot air stream. Now, rho is given to be, what is the rho of that particular spherical thermocouple? Spherical thermocouple, the density of this is given to be 8000 multiplied by C is given to be how much? C is given to be 420 multiply what is the volume? So volume for the spherical case will be given by what? V will be given by 4 by 3 pi r cube, and area for this is given by top surface area available for heat transfer is 4 pi r square. So my dear students, characteristic length for this will be V by A, which will be given by R by 3, because 4 pi will go, and R square R, that R will be remaining, so this will be the remaining part, which is R by 3. So I can directly put R by 3 here, R by 3 here. So what will be R by 3? Let us see. So this will be R. What will be the radius of this 8 millimeter sphere? So this will be 4 millimeter into 10 to the power minus 3 meter divided by 3 into what is the value of H. So for hot steam, they are considering H to be how much? They are considering for the hot steam, the heat transfer coefficient is 40 watt per meter square Kelvin. Okay, so this is this much we are having. So let us calculate this. What will be this? Let us see. So let us calculate this time constant. So this will be 8000 multiplied by 420 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 120, my dear students, divided by 120, and this will be 112 seconds. This will be 112 seconds, my dear students. So this is the time constant which is available for what? For the hot steam air. Now what is they are saying? They are asking us, the thermocouple is taken out from the hot air after 10 seconds. So they are taking it. So what is the time when the thermocouple is taken out from the hot seconds? So let us calculate the temperature attained by the junction. Number second is your temperature attained by the junction after 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, my dear students. So we know what is the equation for this. We know T minus T infinite, that will be for steam, divided by T initial minus T infinite stream is equal to e to the power minus of tau, that is the time available for this, divided by one time constant. So let us see what will be the value of this. Let us see what will be the value for this, my dear students. So this will be given by how much? Let us see. So this will be equal to T minus T infinite seconds. So we have to calculate the temperature attained by the junction after 10 seconds. So let us see this temperature we have to calculate. What is the steam temperature this side? So steam temperature is 300 degrees Celsius divided by what is the initial temperature of this sphere is 40. So thermocouple junction is having initial temperature of 40 minus 300 again, my dear students, is equal to e to the power minus of T by T star. So can we calculate T here? So T they have given after 10 seconds. So this will be 10 divided by what is the time constant for this? That is 112. So this value will be equal to, so from here I can calculate the temperature T, which will be equal to, let us see. So this will be given by minus 10 divided by 112 to the power this multiply by 40 minus 300. Okay, and this will be then 300 will be plus 300. So the temperature will be 62.2 degrees Celsius, my dear students. So the temperature will be 62.2 degree Celsius. So when I have placed this in the inside of the steam, then the temperature is coming to be how much? The temperature is coming to be 62.2 degrees Celsius when I have taken out after 10 seconds. Okay, after 10 seconds. Let us say after 10 seconds, where I am putting this? I am putting this into the still air which is having heat transfer coefficient of this much and temperature of this much. So in the second case, what will be the time constant, my dear students? In the second case, the time constant will be same, but the temperature after 20 seconds. He is asking after 20 seconds. Let us calculate the temperature. Let us calculate the time constant for the second case, because that h is changing. That h is changing, my dear students. H is changing. So if I will replace that h with 10, I will have this much. I will have another time constant for second case. I will have another time constant for second case. Let us see. So time constant for thermocouple in the second case. Let us see. So time constant for thermocouple in the second case. So let us calculate this. So in the second case, I am calculating the time constant for thermocouple. Time constant for thermocouple placed in cold air. Placed in air having temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, my dear students. Placed in air having temperature of 30 degrees. So what will be the time constant for this? So this will be again given by what? R by 3, or directly rho C R divided by what? 3, and we have this side H, this side H, my dear students. So rho C R 3 H. Okay. So this will be the value. Let us calculate this. This will be 8000 they have given. C they have given 2420. R they have given like 4 millimeter into 10 to the power minus 3. This will be converted into meter. Again 3 into H. H they have taken 10 now. So let us see what will be the time constant for this. Let us see what will be the time constant for this case. So this will be 8000 multiplied by 420 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 30, my dear students. So this will be 448. This will be 448 seconds. 448 seconds, my dear students. Okay. Now I know the time constant. Can I calculate the temperature? Yes. Let us calculate the temperature for attained by the junction after removing from hot air. After removing from hot air. So the number second is temperature of the junction. Let us calculate the temperature of the junction, or temperature attained by the junction. Temperature of the junction after 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Okay. Now they have attained by the junction 20 seconds after removing from hot air. So they have removed from the hot air and they have put it in the air which is having heat transfer coefficient of 10 watt per meter square degree Celsius. So now we have to calculate the temperature, my dear students. Now we have to calculate what? The temperature attained by this after 20 seconds. So what will be the temperature? Let us see. So this will be given by again T minus T infinite 2. That is for hot air. That is for air which is having a temperature of 30 degree. So this will be Ti minus T infinite again is equal to e to the power minus of T star divided by T star. This time T divided by time constant, one time constant. So this will become what? So this will become T. We have to calculate minus T infinite 2 is given to be 30 now. So this will be what? T initial is 300 minus T initial is how much, my dear students? T initial is 40 degrees Celsius. T initial is 40 degrees Celsius minus 30 is equal to e to the power minus of T, that is after 20 seconds they are asking, after 20 seconds 20 divided by one time constant which is your 448, my dear students. So let us see what will be the temperature. So I will have this temperature which will be after 20 seconds, that can be the final temperature of the junction. Let us calculate it. So this will become minus 20 divided by 448 to the power this 0.9 multiplied by minus 10, so plus 30. So this temperature will be, my dear students, so okay, this temperature, initial temperature, you will do the mistake here. Let us see. The initial temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, but we have put it in the hot air, my dear students, hot air. So that time for the second case, the temperature will be the initial temperature what I have removed from the first case. So that Ti will be 62.2 degrees Celsius. 62.2 degrees Celsius for the second case, because then it will be the T initial. So what will be the T final, my dear students? Let us see. So the T final will become equal to, so plus this. So this will be your 60.79, my dear students. This will be your 60.79 degree Celsius. Okay. So the concept was that the final initial temperature of the thermocouple junction will change when you will take out from the hot air, because initially it was at 40, then you have put it in the hot air for some time. How many time? How much time? 10 seconds you have put there. So the temperature have been changed to 62.2 degrees Celsius. Then for the second case, it will be the initial temperature. For the second case, that Ti, this will be the Ti for the second case. Ti will be 62.2 degrees Celsius for second case. Second case of still air. Okay. Now hope this question is clear. So my dear students, hope you have understood this and practice more number of questions. Thank you so much.